Hey, and welcome back. Now, in this lesson 6, we are going to look at software repairing tools. Now, in actual senses or in our mobile phone repairing business, these are the tools that actually do the unlocking jobs. Okay, so these tools, we install a software into the computer and then open up the software, run the task, and these softwares execute the task in a matter of seconds. Okay, so these are the tools that we are going to talk about in this video. So let's get started. In software unlocking tools, there are basically two types of tools that you need to understand, or two types of softwares that you need to understand. Now, some are online softwares or online subscription tools, or you can as well as call them digital tools. Okay, and then there are also boxes or dangles. Okay, so these are no subscription tools. Now, with online tools, one, they require periodic subscriptions. So some of these tools, you have to buy a license and maybe 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year license, depending on the packages that they offer. Okay, so periodically you have to update your license to keep using the tools. So once you purchase the license, you need a username and a password to log into the tool. Okay, so in most cases, most of these tools, they need an internet connection because your accounts are connected to their servers through which you log in with the username and password, you get access. Okay, so they are also boxes or dangles. So these are pieces of hardware through which you connect to the computer and then you open up the software so you get access. Okay, so some of these, they require a one-time payment. So the moment you purchase a dangle or you purchase that box, so these require one-time purchase. So that means the moment you buy a dangle or you buy that box, you are done. Okay, so you can receive updates from that same box without needing to do monthly or yearly subscriptions. Okay, then of course, like I said, there are no subsequent subscriptions, and in most cases, you won't need logins to get access to that software. Okay, then in most cases, most of them, they work offline, so you don't need an internet connection to be able to access the software. Okay, so in software repairing tools, these are the most common tools that we use on our daily basis. Okay, so you might find the tools that I have listed here for learning purposes are different than the ones that you use in your religion, but you will realize that most of these tools have similar functions and pretty much the usage is the same. So it doesn't matter. So SP Flash tools, this tool is mainly used to flash MediaTek devices. Odin tool, this is used to flash firmware for Samsung phones. Okay, so you have your Miracle Box, you have CM2 dangle, you have analog tool, and I've pretty much demonstrated in the previous video. You have Android Malt tool if you're looking for a basic tool that can help you read partitions, perform FRP factory reset. Android Malt tool is a good one. The Pandora box. Now, the difference between an Android Malt tool and Pandora box is that Pandora box, you basically purchase the hardware. Okay, but Android Malt tool is an online subscription-based software. So that means you have to constantly renew your license. Okay, so in most cases, the tools that we use are differentiated by the tasks that they do. One, you might find, as for me, I use about 3 or 4, 5 tools, period, and they pretty much do the job for me. So you will realize that most of the tools, the basic usage is the same. They can do FRP, they can do factory research, and pretty much read partitions. But then you will realize that, for example, Pandora and Android Malt tools, their base of coverage is limited. But when you go to analog tool, it has a lot of models listed in there, a lot of chipsets that are supported on analog tool. And you won't get those chips supported anywhere else. Okay. And then you have some phones that cannot be supported on, for example, analog tool, but CM2 can pass them easily. So the choice of which tool you have to use is definitely decided by the task that you want to do. So this is it, guys. I see you in the next one. Bye bye and take care.